All right, welcome to this is the South County Stadium in Port St. Lucie, and I am management for I am Sure Sports. This is a facility that is used by Mako Soccer Club for their games, for their senior team games. Very beautiful facility, as you can see. It is right across from Clover Park. Clover Park is where the New York Mets come on for their preseason. Beautiful, beautiful facility. It seats close to 8,000 fans. There stand there's a press area that is designated. It has perfect lighting. The surface is in immaculate condition. As the weather has improved, they have sought out the surface, ideally located for games. Just imagine with me again, if these kind of facilities were available in Jamaica. This is not a national stadium, this is not the biggest stadium in the city, but nonetheless it is good, better than most of the stadium that we have back home in Jamaica. And it would be ideal, for example, for our junior teams. If they are in this area, they can play games. There's a across from to my left, you will see the ticketing areas where persons would have to pay to enter the venue. There's concessionary stalls set up where you can go and make your purchases. There's also a designated area where the team buses will park. There's ample parking, more than enough parking for fans as well. Again, imagine with me if we're U15, the Jamaican base U15, or the US base Jamaica U15, the US base Jamaica U17 were to play a game here, and say you had 5,000 fans paying just $5 to watch that game. You're talking about 25,000 US dollars, and I think that is good. You cover all the expenses, and then you can earn something to sustain those junior programs. These are the things that are available out here. I mean, we're doing the work, and again, this is, I mean, thanks to Mako Academy and Coach Freddie Butler out here in Port St. Lucie. We're going to give you a shot of what it is like from the front of the facility in a short while. Again, this is great, great stuff. We don't have access today, as the field has been marked. We don't have access, as you can see, to the pitch area, but we can tell you that it is already marked out, because there'll be games here tomorrow for the senior team at Mako Soccer Club. I am Manningsman again, reporting to you all the way here out in Florida for I Am Sure Sports. And I want to thank my man on the camera right there for being a part of this video with us. So there you go. Thank you, people. And listen, have a blessed day. We're going to give you some shots of what it is like from the front of the venue.